Hello and welcome back to our Pro tutorial series. I will be going through the Market Scanner in more detail in this tutorial. The Market Scanner is one of the things that makes Deepblocks most powerful. We have baked into every single parcel their zoning capabilities, not just the zoning rules, but also what those zoning rules allow each parcel to yield. And then you're allowed to then do a wide funneling exercise or canvassing exercise to see where the parcels with most interest are located. So, for example, we want parcels. Let's start with estimated units allowed. Let's say we're doing multifamily and we want parcels that can yield between 100 units and 150 units. So that's a very specific size of developments, and we could say, well, I would like my lot size to be above 10,000 square feet, but below 20,000 square feet. So we have now, and just to give you an idea, as you see, we have 19 matches, but just to give you an idea, let's start this from 0 to however big it could get. So we're looking at 4,600 parcels, and we're going to narrow down to the 19 that meet this specific criteria of allowing between 100 and 150 units, and the site being 10,000 to 20,000 square feet. You can add, for example, if there's an existing building, may it be, oh, that's the height, existing structure, may it be less than 10,000 square feet, so I can reduce my demolition cost, and we're down to one parcel. So this is really cool. We have found the one parcel in this viewport out of 5,000 parcels, and now once I move the map, I'll do a scan again, and maybe we'll find more. Look at that. We found 11 parcels now that meet this criteria. And once I select the parcel, you're able to get details on the parcel, owner's name, for example. This is owned by the state of Florida. Maybe we don't want to try to negotiate that. Both of these are owned by the state of Florida. This one's owned by what seems to be a private corporation. That might be a better fit. How many units it could build? It could yield 114 units. 24 stories, the minimum lot size, we cover that. The uses allowed, the setbacks requirements, parking requirements, and everything you need to know to get a very high level understanding of what can be built. So with that, that is our market scanner. And again, it has tons of different search parameters by zoning uses, by land uses. So for example, you could say, give me all the properties that currently have an office building and allow multifamily buildings. So it really depends on what you're trying to find. We could probably get this for you. If you have any questions on the search capabilities, please feel free to always contact us via the chat, and we're always there to answer, or we'll answer as soon as we can if you do it after work hours. So thank you so much again for being with us. And next, we'll move on to another feature.